Hey y'all, welcome to another session with Mr. Hell's digital media class. This is session 3 video. If you haven't seen the other 2 videos, I encourage you guys to watch it. The last 2 videos were introducing what digital media is, and the second video was introducing what is copyright. For today, what we're getting ready to talk to you about is the phases of production. The first phase that I'm going to address to you guys is pre-production. So for this video, we're talking about pre-production. So what is pre-production? Pre-production is the process of planning some of the elements in a film, play, or a performance. It is a process of planning. Think of the word production as actually doing the film on a set where everything is actually going down at that time. Pre-production is talking about before you can even get to that place of actually filming your movie or your video or whatever it is. It has to start off with a thought. And so there are some elements that are involved with pre-production, such as storyboard, scouting your location, creating a budget, and choosing your gear. So these are all different elements that are involved with pre-production but are not limited to. The definition of storyboard is a graphic organizer that consists of images displayed in sequence for a pre-visual. So any TV show that you have watched, any cartoons, or anything with a visual behind it, somebody thought of the idea first before actually executing it on film. And so storyboard comes into play where you're actually deliberately putting out each scene, putting each scene in sequence. And so you can get into more detail as far as what type of shot you're looking for each scene, or if it was a cartoon, what type of sketch, what do you want people to see at a certain duration of time. And so storyboard is very important, and you can use that not only in the film business but for your own self-doing entrepreneurship. Scouting locations. Scouting locations is very important when you're establishing what type of movie or video that you're trying to shoot. So if I, for instance, was shooting a movie about a basketball story, where do you think my location will be at for most of the movie? On a basketball court. And so those are like simple things that actually bring the video to life. You wouldn't just want to be out on the open concrete just dribbling a basketball. You want to have the visuals to back up what you want people to see. And so that is an example of scouting locations. Creating a budget is more for people who are in big scale movies. If you've seen from some of the previous videos I talked about, some of the budgets can get easily into the millions of dollars. And so all of that budget deals with hiring crews, hiring stage management, the list goes on. Creating a budget is very important because you need to know how much is this project going to cost you. And so this is important information to know for pre-production. Choosing your gear is an important role in pre-production. You want to know what type of shots that you want to get as a videographer or a person who is shooting the camera. It's important to know what type of lenses that you want to use. If you want to establish a shot that is showing a whole building or something that is wide, you want to use a wide angle lens. And so if it's something that's of detail and you want to focus on a certain topic or individual, then you try to use the prime lens. And so these are different things that people use to establish what they want people to see within their movies or videos or visuals. Hey guys, I hope you guys stay tuned for future videos. Look forward to the next video being about production. Look forward to continue to teach you guys the value of video production for you guys. All right, y'all have a great day. Let's get it.